She basically said biology loads the gun and environment pulls the trigger.
That kind of brings me to one of the questions that we had. One of them being, and this is about like it was a conversation that I actually had at work.
Mm-hmm.
It was a conversation I had at work, and somebody wanted to ask somebody on a date, and she's a girl, right? I don't want to ask somebody out on a date because I want to be chased, and I was like, I get that, like I totally get that. You can ask whoever you want out, and we're like, yeah, we agree that you can. Anybody can ask anybody out, but it's in our nature. I said it's in our nature. As you know, when you're born, it just comes with you. And culture, he was saying, no, it's culture. Culture is affecting how the behaviors, right? And I said, yes, I think it influences, but I think naturally we're born with these instincts of like, what we like. We like being chased as women. That's what we like. And even if it's two women relationships, I feel like there's always one woman more masculine than the other.
Yes.
And then guys, you guys don't care. You know what I mean?
If
you guys don't
God,
care.
You're born with it. But are you born with that instinct to not want to pursue something?
That's my question.
Or is it that
even
you're
if
taught that as in
yeah,
society?
I actually like this question a lot. I think I have at least part of the answer. But, so I like what a neurologist said. She basically said biology loads the gun and environment pulls the trigger. I like that a lot because it kind of tells you like both play a role.
Both, yeah.
Right? One of the things that makes me laugh, I'm like, no, some things are ingrained and you're just born with it, right? But going back to the thing, I always get confused when people say, oh, well, society teaches. At what point does biology affect? Like, I want to know what their baseline of thinking, like biology ends up affecting, because I don't think societal pressures really, I would even say maybe 30%, maybe even 40%. I don't think it's like everything.
I think it goes back to our instinct leans us towards that.
Exactly.
And then society just leans into it.
Exactly.
Does that make sense? Well, that makes sense because we feel this way, so we're going to do this. And society basically now promotes that. Why? Because it's the way it should be, because it feels natural. And this just comes from the caveman. We were talking about the guy that kills the most prey and brings more food in gets the most girls.